Did you know that the first 10 minutes of your morning can decide how your entire day feels? Most people wake up rushed, tense, and already stressed. But what if I told you that a simple morning flow could erase stiffness, clear your mind, and give you unstoppable energy before you even check your phone? Faceless person doing a gentle morning stretch by a window with sunlight streaming in. Glowing energy waves around body symbolizing clarity and vitality. Phone left aside on table. Cinematic inspirational style 16:9. Everyday stress builds up in your neck, back, and chest. That stiffness isn't just uncomfortable. It follows you into your work, your relationships, and your mood. Left unchecked, tension becomes fatigue. That's why this flow is so important. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose, and slowly exhale. Release everything that doesn't belong here. Gently move your head side to side, then up and down. Push your shoulders down as you stretch your neck. Feel that tension melt away. Now, interlock your hands, bring your head up, and push your chest out. Lean forward slightly. Open your chest. Each inhale creates space. Each exhale softens stress. Lean to the left, arms straight, stretching your side body. Switch sides. Keep both hips grounded. Feel your body waking up. Now into cat-cow. Arch your back, lift your head, inhale. Exhale, round your spine and release. Flow with your breath. Each movement untangles your spine. Bring your right shoulder down, twist, and switch sides. Perfect. Now lower into child's pose. Let your forehead rest, arms forward. Breath guiding you deeper into peace. Grab a trigger point roller, place it under your upper back. Roll slowly, breathing, letting tightness dissolve. Those cracks? That's your spine thanking you. Place one block under your upper back, another under your head. Legs in butterfly, knees falling open. Inhale, chest rises, exhale. Melt into the mat. Feel your heart open, your body expand. Now remove the block under your head. Keep the one under your back. Legs extended. Surrender into the stretch. Just breathe. Inhale new energy. Exhale stress. Finally, lay on your acupressure mat or simply on the ground, Shavasana position. Arms at your sides, close your eyes. Feel the subtle pressure awaken your body. Visualize your day ahead, calm, focused, filled with joy. Whisper to yourself, I'm capable. I'm calm. I'm ready for today. You've just gifted your body and mind the energy to take on the day. Imagine how powerful you'll feel if you repeat this daily. Don't stop here, your journey continues. Click the next video on your screen and take the next step to transform your health and life. See you there.